wait till they hear the news, Todd. It's not every day you win the popular category of calculating amplitudes using the rodeo algorithm for quantum computing.
You go, girl.
Keep it professional, Todd. They're home.
I detect sounds of celebration.
News this big was bound to spread quickly. Prepare to bask in the glow of victory, Todd.
Transitioning to bask mode.
End bask mode, Todd. They didn't notice.
Oh, Lisa, congratulations are in order.
My team just won their 17th game in a row.
Well, you know, our team. I am the assistant to the assistant coach, so.
Don't you just bring the orange slices?
Yeah, but if anything happens to those three guys, guess who steps in as head coach? Orange Slice Guy. That's what they call me. They haven't learned my name yet.
Next up, championship. As long as I don't take off this lucky hat, it's a lock. Congratulations, Lynn. Todd?
Free pizza. It's Hawaiian. I'm a sucker for hot pineapple.
I hate to leave Lynn's party early, but Clyde and I have a winning streak of our own going on, though we're not quite ready to celebrate just yet. You ready for this? Ding to the dong, baby! It's taken us 3.5 years, but Clyde and I have successfully ding-dong-ditched every house in Royal Woods.